Hello everyone, very quickly we look at the monitor in this video. The monitor is the widget that you can see here at the end of the line. I can click on this, it pops up, and then I can monitor the stock I want. So say I close that previous widget. What you do is you can add stocks here, you can change the columns, you can make it full screen by going down, so now it is more full width of the screen. By grabbing these arrows here, you can make it half screen, and let's see how we can add a ticker in there. So you click on settings, you can type a ticker, let's say Dell Computer, Dell Technology. There you go, and then I close down, and then I see Dell here. I can just quickly click and get a chart of it. Deere, Coupa, Datadog, and so on, Tesla. I can quickly get a chart, and so it's very convenient. Changing the column is the same thing as the screener. You can pick your revision score, for example, debt to equity ratio. I can remove those. Next report date if you want, and then you have this debt to equity ratio, revision score, and so on. Very quick monitor, super useful to monitor your preferred stocks. Thank you.